Hey everybody, this is Professor SQ, your instructor for Business 150 Human Relations. I'm making this video and attaching the link in an email that I'm sending to you so that you can order your textbook directly through the publisher and save a lot of cash, okay? If you buy it through Mace's bookstore, it'll cost you significant more. I cut a deal directly with the publisher. So I'm showing you how to do this so that you can go directly through the publisher's website, okay? So I am in my favorite browser, which is Firefox. I'm in my address line. I have given you a link in the email. Copy that and then simply paste it. And then click enter. It's going to take you to Connect or McGraw-Hill's. This is where your e-textbook, electronic textbook, your homework and quizzes are all housed for this class. And you can see right here, this is the textbook we're using, Human Relations Strategies for Success, 5th edition. So you're all set up. So I'm going to try to create this, but I think I'm already set up in class. But let's check just in case. So there's an email address, click begin. Okay, so it's going to bring you up to this. If you already have a Connect account, you will skip this portion. But if you don't, you will be creating your own account. Select a security question. And then if you want to be able to get notifications, you can stick a cell phone number in there, agree to the terms, continue. This is just for you if they want to do it. Your password must be 8 digits, so please pay attention to that. So if you've registered before, you look at this. No, thank you. Continue with my account. And so this is what I wanted to show you. So if you've already bought the book and have an access code and you don't want, hopefully you've not opened it and you can return it back to the bookstore. But once you get your access code, you would put that in there. What I want most of you to do is one of two things. So you can do a temporary access and you will get 2 weeks free. So if you're not able to purchase this ebook and the access code today, that's fine. But I would caution you, do not do the 2-week trial period until the first day of class, because what you'll do as soon as you say access now, the clock for that 2 weeks starts, and I don't want that to happen to you. So whenever you're ready to start your work, that's when you would do that. Again, the $60 is going to give you the e-textbook, and it's going to also give you access to the homework and the quizzes. That's all there. So you can do it through either a charge card or PayPal. And then once you do that, and I'm not going to do either one of those because I don't want to be a student in the class. What happens is then once you do this portion, it will give you the option to also buy the hard copy. So that would be an additional $25. So you can just, if you're comfortable with just electronic book and access, $60. If you want to have the hardcover book, let me see if I've got it here. Yes, I do. Can you see it? That's it. It's an additional $25. And you should be able to actually sell your textbook back to the bookstore at the end of the semester. So You would buy it for $25. They wouldn't know that, and they would give you some money back. So that's how to register for the course, how to get access to the textbook and your homework. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much. Have a great day.